The cavern was home to Flamey, a dragon with a peculiar predicament. As he lay dozing, surrounded by vibrant wildflowers, his nostrils twitched.
Chew.
A fiery sneeze burst forth, scorching a nearby tree.
Oh no, not again.
He groaned, rubbing his snout. Despite his best efforts to stifle another sneeze, it was futile.
Chew.
The sneeze sent a boulder tumbling from the cave entrance.
If this keeps up, I'll sneeze the whole mountain away.
Mayor Tumble, known for his clumsiness, stumbled into the square, eyes wide with worry.
What was that? An earthquake? A volcano? A dragon?
He exclaimed, tripping over his own feet. Ella, a clever and brave village girl, stepped forward confidently.
Relax, Mayor Tumble. It's just Flamey, the dragon. I think he has a sneezing problem.
She reassured him.
A sneezing dragon? That's a disaster waiting to happen.
Mayor Tumble shouted.
Don't worry, I'll talk to Flamey. Maybe he just needs some help.
Ella promised, grabbing her backpack. Ella arrived at the cave to find Flamey pacing nervously, clutching a tissue as large as a bedsheet.
Hi, Flamey. Are you okay?
She asked.
No, I keep sneezing, and I can't stop. I've already toasted 3 trees, 2 rocks, and my favorite blanket.
Flamey replied, exasperated.
Maybe we can figure out what's causing it. Do you have allergies?
What?
Flamey asked, puzzled.
Allergies. Sometimes things like flowers or dust can make you sneeze. Let's investigate.
Ella suggested, spotting a pile of wildflowers.
Aha! These flowers might be the problem. Let's move them outside.
As she began to move them, Flamey sneezed again, sending the flowers flying out with a gust of flame.
Whoa! Well, that's one way to do it.
Ella laughed. Ella brewed some herbal tea, its calming scent wafting through the cave.
Here, try this tea. It's made from calming herbs. Maybe it will help.
She proposed. Flamey took a sip, but his nose twitched again.
Chew.
The teacup flew from his grasp, landing on Ella's hat.
Okay, tea didn't work. Let's try something else.
Ella said, handing him a giant scarf.
This scarf will keep your nose warm and maybe stop the sneezing.
Flamey wrapped it around his snout, managing to suppress a sneeze.
Hey, it worked.
He exclaimed, until the scarf unraveled, flying into the sky. Back in the village, Ella and Flamey brainstormed. Suddenly, Ella had a spark of an idea.
Flamey, how do you feel about roasting marshmallows?
She asked.
Marshmallows? What's that?
Flamey inquired curiously. Ella set up a campfire with marshmallows on sticks. As Flamey sneezed, the perfect roasting flame emerged. Villager 1 exclaimed, "Wow, perfectly toasted marshmallows." And Villager 2 added, "This dragon's sneezes are amazing." Soon a marshmallow stand was set up, with Flamey as the star attraction. The village had transformed into a bustling attraction, celebrating their unique dragon friend. Flamey wore a chef's hat, happily sneezing to toast marshmallows.
Achoo, another batch ready.
He announced with a smile. Ella laughed.
See? Your sneezes aren't a problem anymore. They're a superpower.
Mayor Tumble, munching on a marshmallow, nodded approvingly.
Best idea ever, Ella. And Flamey, you're the best dragon we've ever had.
The villagers cheered as Flamey took a bow, the scene fading out with cheerful music and a close-up of a perfectly toasted marshmallow.